You a cop? Did you come here with anyone?
No. Chill out, man. I'm straight. I'm just looking for a new GoPro.
Okay. You're looking for a GoPro. I got a Hero 7 or a Hero 9.
Yo, I'll take the Hero 9, man.
Alright, say less. I got you. Let me grab it. Just 1 second here. Hang tight.
Hey, dude. Check out this new GoPro Hero 9 that I got.
Man, I think you got ripped off. This is a GoPro Hero 3.
No! Still shoot 720p though.
What's going on, everybody? I recently started using a GoPro Hero 9 and I wanted to share with you some test footage I shot while snowboarding. I also wanted to go over some of my favorite features from this action camera, so let's get right into it and show you guys some of the footage. My first initial impressions, the quality of the footage really impressed me, as well as the color science. You have the ability to shoot 5K up to 30 frames per second, 4K up to 60, and 2.7K up to 120. One of my favorite parts of the Hero 9 is the ability to quickly switch between different shooting modes. You can also save custom presets, so when you're in a pinch for time, it comes in super clutch. The stabilization is some of the best I've ever seen. In some of these clips, we're going down the mountain pretty fast, yet the footage is so stable and we weren't even using a gimbal at all. The fact this camera can handle high speeds and rougher terrain makes it a no-brainer to buy. As a reminder, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe so you guys don't miss on any of our future videos. The front screen is perfect if you're trying to film yourself to make sure you're still in frame, and it's surprisingly clear. In comparison to the GoPro Hero 7, the Hero 9 is a bit bigger, but no way bulky or a tough switch to get used to. I'd much rather have the slightly bigger front screen and a bigger camera than not being able to see myself. Another thing I also love about this camera is the fact that it has shortcuts on the main screen. And so you can customize these to pretty much whatever you want, and this makes it so much easier if you're in the pinch and you're just trying to get something done super quick. Of course, this isn't something that you're gonna wanna use during the night because the quality is just not that great when it comes to low light situations. But in bright situations, having an ND is a must-have, and it makes your footage look super cinematic by being able to keep your frame rate and your shutter speed at the 180-degree rule. Another cool feature of this camera is the fact that you can buy the media mod. Now the media mod comes with a shotgun mic on top of it, as well as gives you a 3.5mm mic jack, so you can plug in your own shotgun microphone if you want, and it comes with a USB-C port so that you can charge your GoPro and last all day long. When we were out in the mountains, it was about -10°C, and the GoPro lasted almost the whole entire day running off of 2 different batteries. If you want this to last all day long with no problems, you can easily plug in a power bank to the GoPro so that it'll last you throughout the whole entire day. The menu system on the GoPro Hero 9 is super simple. It's super easy to kind of change up settings if you need to, as well as it is touchscreen, so you can move and adjust things just with the touch of your finger. The last feature I want to talk about is how well the body is designed. At the bottom of the camera, there's a mount built into the camera that folds up when you don't need to use it. It makes it way easier to mount on a pole without having to get a separate case. If you're on the fence of buying the GoPro for any action sequences, I would highly recommend you buy this one. This has been Dyson from Subtle Cinematics. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.
Say less. I got you. Just don't tell your parents about this, okay?
No! Still shoot 720p though.
Okay, don't do that at the end, man.
Oh! No! Still shoot 720p though.